This roof is over a century old. If you hit it with pressure, you'll destroy it in seconds. Historic clay tiles are extremely fragile. If you use high pressure or walk on it, it can cause thousands in damages. That's why we never walk on these roofs. Instead, we use a dedicated soft wash system while using a boom lift. Our custom low-pressure solution sanitizes the tile and kills the moss, lichen, and black algae at the root without disturbing the historic surface. The result? The original beauty of the home completely restored. The historic tile stays protected for decades.